My name is Elias Guttierez. I work at Pointe Plaza and I make a difference. I have 12 years working in Pointe Plaza. I enjoy working for that place. Food is so important for those residents, and it's my pleasure to cook the food they really like and love it. They love the fish I do, vegetables and rice. They like mashed potato. They like a baked chicken every day. The chicken soup, they love it. Every resident has choice. When I make the food they like, I know that I'm doing something important. When I say I made a difference, it's because it's more than work. It's care, it's patience, it's a warm place to care about them. It's a home for those residents. If you can do anything you love, you do with all your heart, you do with all your passion. We are dedicated to those residents. My name is Elias Guttierez and I make a difference.